Hey everybody, Hank Vaiden, Hank's Barbecue. We're gonna make another great game day appetizer, the cheesy sausage muffin bomb. What we've done is I pre-mixed our mixture for the cheesy sausage muffin bombs. And what we started out with was 3 cups of Bisquick. To that you wanna add 1 pound of hot pork sausage already cooked and drained. And then to that we wanna come back a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, a 1/2 cup of water, and I like to use a variation of cheeses. Sometimes we use cheddar, sometimes we'll use the pepper jack. Any cheese is great, whatever you like the best. And then we're gonna use 10.5 ounce can of cheddar cheese mix. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of that and just kind of mix it together, make a nice, really good batter. And then we're gonna take our muffin tin and we're gonna spray it down with duck fat, just like so. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna use a little scoop so we have equal portion sizes. Now we're ready to go to the grill with our little muffin bombs. All right, so the ideal temp for the cheesy sausage muffin bombs, we're gonna do it at 375 for 20 minutes. So once we finish the cheesy sausage muffin bombs, we're gonna come back with a little local honey to give them just a little sweet to contrast with the savory. And you can get as happy as you want with it.